In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Builderall. So Builderall is kind of an all-in-one marketing suite of tools, and I'll show you every single one of them and how you can get started with it. Now, first of all, if you want to get started with Builderall completely for free, then you can do that through the link down in the description. That link will take you right here. From here, just click on Get Started Today, and that will take you right here. Now, they have these plans right here, but what they also have is a free plan down here. Now in the free plan you have these tools, so social proof, which is what you also see on the home screen of Builderall. So it's basically just a pop-up that says this person bought it 30 minutes ago or however long. Then you have browser notifications, the live chat, and exit pop-up, so if someone wants to leave the website a pop-up will appear, and comments autoresponder. Now these are all free tools, but you also have some paid tools. So you have websites, a domain connection, pro mailboxes, and then here you also get access to email marketing. And in the more premium plans, you get some additional features such as an Instagram and Messenger chatbot, SMS messaging, the funnel builder, and here then you also get webinar builder, the quiz builder, and video hosting. Now to get started with one, just click on buy now. And then here you can get started with it. So just enter your details right here, or you can also create a business account, then you just need to enter your VAT number. Now you can either pay monthly or annual. With annual you save 10%. For now I'll just get started with the free plan, because then you will be able to get a good overview of what you can get for free. So if you also want to get started with the free plan, just click sign up now, and then here enter these same details. So then click continue right there. Now here you do need to go and add your payment details. Now if you keep using the free plan, then you won't need to actually pay for anything, but just enter the details here. And then here just click on get started, and now you can actually start using Builderall. Now it kind of depends how it looks on which plan you pick, because for example with the website builder now it says upgrade now. But these are all the free tools that you will have access to in every single plan. So you have the social proof pop-up, which is a feature I like a lot. So go and click on that one, and then it will take you to that feature. Then here simply click on new pop-up. Now here enter a name for this pop-up. Then a record interaction text. So that could be just subscribed, just purchased, joined the webinars. So whatever you are actually doing. For example, if you're selling a subscription, then you could say just subscribed. Then you can collect the visitor data from wherever you want. Now in this case, in the free plan, you can only enter it manually, or if you have one of the premium plans, then you can actually do it on autopilot. Then you can display the social proof pop-on Builderall tools or an external website. Now in the free plan, again, you don't have the Builderall website builder, so then you will need to do an external website. Then here simply enter the URL to the website you want to display it on. Then here you can choose which language it should be in, and a URL to navigate on the pop-up click. So here you can see the preview of what it looks like. So this person just subscribed this many minutes ago. And then here in the pop-up appearance, you can either make it dark or default, and default is the light version, and you can upload an icon that will be displayed. Now you can also show the user location, which I do like. So then in this case, it would say John from the United States. Then you can choose the display interval, so how often is it displayed and how long is it displayed for. Then click create, and then you have created your pop-up. Then in the my pop-ups you can see it here, and from your dashboard you can see how often it is being used. So when you get back to the home screen right here, you can get back to the other tools. So you have the live chat that you can add to your website, the social proof, and that is what we have just done as well, and the browser notifications. Now you can also click create a new email right there, and then you can also start using their email builder. Now up here, when you click on tools, you will see every single tool right here. So if you want to unlock this, then you need to click unlock core, but you can also see essential, advanced, and premium. So you can see exactly what you will get in each of the plans. So you can just figure out which one you will need. For example, if you want to have a WordPress, then you need essential, and you can click on unlock. And then here you can simply go and click on buy now. And then with the payment method on file, you can then go and get that subscription as well. So I recommend just starting for free to check out the platform, see what is included and if you like it. And if you want to get the free plan for Builderall, then you want to go and click on the link down in the description. That will take you to this page right here, and from here you can just click get started, then scroll down here and click sign up now in the free plan. Now, the website builder is actually pretty good with Builderall, and they have some really good templates, and it's a really easy to use drag and drop website builder. So that concludes this Builderall tutorial. Now you know how you can get started with using Builderall. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, if you want to get started with Builderall for free, you can do so through the link in the description. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.